not mention Periea. This is the set of 4 square stackable cubes, customer top rated. This is from our best-selling storage brand here at QVC. It is a sale price of $32.98 for 4 of these great square stackable cubes, easy organization, and it's really storage that decorates a space. Super easy to set up. We've got great colors for you. Let's take a look at them because you are able to see everything in these. So if you have that memorabilia, if you have the clothes that you want to put away, it is just such a great piece that you are going to want. And I know everyone here at QVC already loves them. There's a reason it is top rated. Now let's see if I can get these colors right. This is your black floral. Woohoo! Then below we have our metallic floral. Over here we have our metallic marble. And then on QVC.com, we have a few more for you. We have our gray diamond. Then that is our solid gray. There is the sage linen. And then we've got the black dot. Now these all match back to those bags we saw a little bit ago. I'm going to welcome back in my friend Megan Elizabeth to talk everything storage solutions.
Hi.
I have to say,
these,
I know, she's just hiding back here.
Hi.
Joke's on you, she's been here the whole time.
Peekaboo, just kidding.
No, these are really, I will say, and I keep repeating myself, but when I joined here at QVC a few months ago, Mary Beth Rowe, Justin Sachoka, everyone kept talking about these great boxes.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. And now I've seen the gospel of Periea.
Yes.
It really is that incredible storage solution. But the fact that you're able to stack these and mix and match is really a game changer.
Yeah, I mean, these are awesome because these are our 12-inch storage cubes. So they fit into those cube shelves that you buy at a lot of different stores. And they each hold 44-pound weight capacity. That little thing is a 44-pound weight capacity because it has that solid bottom and we have the steel frame. You're gonna get it home, it's completely collapsed, okay? So all you need to do is basically pop it open. Okay, you're gonna unzip this little front pouch and you'll see inside here, John, these are the steel bars that you're just going to, I'm gonna have to kind of angle it. You're just going to pop them open and push them into place. And you can kind of see that happening in this box right here. So all you do is push it out to the sides where they need to go. And that is all you need to do to assemble this Periea box, zip it up and fill it with whatever you want to be storing and organizing. And it's so great because most of these bins that you see that are like the 12-inch storage bins, they have just a complete opening.
Yes.
We're giving you a clear window that you can still see what's inside, but everything is protected. So if it's the stuffed animals, if it's the towels that are complete chaos, if it's the vanity that is a complete chaotic mess, the sweaters that you want to stack and line your shelves with. I love transforming the toys, and there's those cube storages as well that everything's in there, the kids can see, but it's calming the chaos, especially when you have little ones. And I love it in things like the cabinet and underneath the sinks where you're keeping things like your cleaners or the things that you don't want, you know, just out. And to be able to have Periea with these carrying handles as well, give us that option, it's fantastic.
It really is. And I love that we saw that demonstration of the top of the closet with the sweaters because that is what I need. It reclaims that unused space up there or on the bottom. Now all you have to do is decide which color you want. Remember, you are getting 4 of these at a sale price for $32.98. You can mix and match. If you can pick up more than one right now at 3 easy payments of $10.99, this is really the time to do it because you are going to be thrilled you have them. You just decide whether you want the black floral. Below it, we have our metallic floral. I'm really getting the hang of this.
Yes, you are.
Then we've got our metallic marble. I can't speak too soon. Then on QVC.com, we have a few more for you. We have our gray diamond. Then our solid gray. That is our sage linen. And then the black dots. If you want just the gray, there's only 100 remaining. There's fewer than 100 remaining, so don't wait on that. $32.98 to reclaim that space. And the thing that's so great about these is you don't have to hide them away.
No.
They have that great, you know, decor feel to them. They have these beautiful designs that it's not like it's something that you want to have tucked away in that closet. If you want to stack them and make your own sort of storage cabinet in the room, you can.
Or a little like stackable dresser set, because they are completely stackable as well, which you don't get with many bins. And if it is a bin that's stackable, how often can you see what's inside?
Never.
Can you access it from the front and still not have to unstack the entire collaboration that you have going on? No. So with Periea, you can stack all 4 up together, but then you're still able to just get in here right from the front. I can see, here's my beak bin, here's my philosophy, here's my when that I want to grab out and start to do the things that I need to do in my day, put it back and be done with it. And it's all kept tucked away. If I'm ready to carry it to another room, if it's the kids' toys and you want to do that 10-second tidy, 10-minute tidy, this is a great option. This is a great kind of like holder for things that kind of get happening at the front door, whether it's the keys or whatever, that you can just, it's in here, it's out of the way, but it's not getting lost or moved around. There's just so many options when it comes to Periea, and as you said, the beauty of it as well. We really try to think of all areas of that, and even if you're doing it in a storage cube situation, you can turn it on the side just like you had it there, John. If you don't want people to see maybe everything that you have,
just have them see the back.
Have them see the beauty of the side, the handle. You can pull it out, carry it where you want to go, and you're literally good to go with it. And it's for every room of the house.
If you have the dorm room, if you have kids who are away at college and don't have any space, if you yourself have no space, if you're saying, where is all my space? They've taken it. The kids have taken it. The dogs have taken it. Or if maybe you've downsized. You know, I think of my parents who go back and forth, you know, and visit my niece and nephew and everything. And this is something that you could just have those clothes packed in. And if you are maybe going to a vacation home or something, you've got the linens, you've got everything done already. Keep it in this bag, or box rather, so when it is ready to use, when it's time to use it, words are hard, there's no dust on it. It's keeping all that, you know, you can keep your memorabilia in here. Whether it is those great cherished memories that you want to be able to see where they are and keep an eye on them, but it's going to keep them safe from that dust, from the debris that builds up in our home.
I love this for my 6x8 scrapbook albums too, because for the same exact reason, it keeps the dust off, but things are in here and out of the way. And you mentioned the road trip and going to different things. I always pack our Periea boxes with the snacks for the road trip, because it's not getting crushed if it's the pretzels or the chips or the whatever.
You're a smart mom.
And then the kids can access it right from the front. No matter how we have the car stacked, they can get to exactly what they need. So, I mean, they're not going to use their philosophy, but they are going to be getting to the things like their favorite chips or their favorite candy snack or whatever it would be. And Periea is a great option for that as well, because here it is to go into the vacation rental, to go into the hotel, and it collapses away, so it's not taking up storage space when we're on those vacation trips. But it's so great for every room and every closet and every place in your home.
Pick one up for everyone in the family, designate a color or a pattern, and that is theirs, and you will never be disorganized again. I can't make that claim, but it'll help. It's from Periea. It's a set of 4 for $32.